Good morning, all of you. So, my name is Arun Sharma. So, today we will discuss about JEE entrance exam. We will solve some question uh, from grade 11 first, and my second video is for grade 12. So, first of all, I will choose the topic unit second. Unit second or unit first? Unit and dimension. We will start from the first. Unit and dimension. So, in this objective, there is some portion of grade 11 and grade 12. You know, all the student. Some question from grade 11 and grade 12. So, start from first question. There is the question. Let epsilon infinity, let epsilon infinity, question number first, epsilon infinity denotes the dimensional formula of permittivity of vacuum, of permittivity of vacuum if capital M is the mass. You all the student know MLT. L is the length. L is the length, and uh, next time T, time capital T, and capital A is electric current. So grade 12 and grade 11 student also know what is an electric current. It is the ratio of charge to the time. So charge by time mean you define also here from 1 ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. It means there is some option is given. First option is m minus 1 L minus 3 T3 A. Second option B is m minus 1 L minus 3 T4 A square, mean ampere square. C option is m1 L2 T1 A square, and the third option is m1 L2 T1 A. So which is the right answer from this case? So you apply the formula. You all the student aware about, grade 12 student is also aware about the formula. Which formula you can apply and find the resultant. Means what is the dimensional formula of epsilon infinity? It's A, B or C. So how to find? It means you read the formula in first chapter in grade 12. F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Apply the formula. So here you will find the uh, epsilon at infinity dimensional formula. So here Q1 Q2 means you will find epsilon infinity, this one, epsilon infinity. So formula is Q1 Q2 divide by 4 pi f into r square. Some students are aware, but maximum students are not aware. They are cramming. So you not do not cram the dimensional formula directly. You first of all you can solve the dimensional formula directly. Here charge. Here is charge. So charge, the unit of charge is coulomb. What you can solve from here, current I is equal to charge by time. So charge is equal to current multiplied by time. So here you can write that is equal to IT multiplied by IT. 4 pi, the constant term has no dimensional formula. So 4 pi. So there is no dimensional formula. So you can solve the formula of force. So simply, first of all, if you are the beginner, then you solve the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula step by step. After that, if you are don't cram it. If you solve this formula, F is equal to M into A. Now just you solve. Your target is MLT. So here is M. You will solve A. F is equal to M multiplied by A is equal to velocity upon time acceleration. Again, F is equal to M multiplied by T as it is. You will solve the velocity is displacement upon time. So formula is M1 L1 T raised to power minus 2. If you are beginner, otherwise you write the directly formula. So we write here M1 L1 T raised to power minus 2, and here R square mean length square L square. So L square you will find means here M ऊपर जाएगा -1 L1 and L2. Here is the symbol of multiply. If base is same, power is added. So L3. Clear? So time here 1 2 time 2 time. Here is -2. बट जब ये ऊपर जाएगा तो बच्चे किसका हो जाएगा +2 मीन प्लस का हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा t रेज टू पावर 4. ये पहले से 2 है, ये नीचे से ऊपर गया माइनस का है, ऊपर गया तो प्लस का हो गया बच्चे. तो इट मीन्स t रेज टू पावर 4. क्लियर? सो t रेज टू पावर 4. So at last, here is right or wrong? Here L1 and L2, it means here is -3. नीचे से पावर ऊपर जा रही है बच्चे. So the unit of this current I mean A square. So this is the right answer. M-1 L-3 T raised to power 4 and A square. Mean option number B is the right answer. Option B is the right. So move on the another question from this part. So this question is from AIEEE 2013 में ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है 4 marks में. So one more question is here. Expression for time. Wait 1 minute. Yes, wait. Here question is expression for time. Expression for time. You will find the expression for time. G, capital G, you read from 9th. Universal gravitational constant. Capital G. You know the standard value, SI unit and CGS unit and SI value or CGS value. So here is gravitational constant, and small h is the Planck's constant. Planck's constant. You know what is Planck's constant? Planck's constant is equal to energy upon frequency. Remember the formula? So c is the speed of c speed of light, speed of light, speed of light. So c is proportional to c is proportional to मीन्स बोलने का मतलब c किसके प्रोपोर्शनल है, ठीक है, c दिया हुआ है. सो ऑप्शन इज गिवन हियर. ऑप्शन ए इज गिवन अंडर रूट एच सी रेज टू पावर 5 डिवाइड बाय जी. बी ऑप्शन इज अंडर रूट सी क्यूब डिवाइड बाय जी एच. C option under root GH divided by C5. D option under root GH divided by C3. This is there are the four options. You will solve from these four options which is the right answer. So you will solve this. How to prove the value of c? So here speed of light. So we can start this question here, speed of light. So we will start here. T is directly proportional to which term? Gravitational constant, Planck's constant, and one more term is c. One more term is c. So listen, how to solve this. T, this t is the time period. So t is equal to k, g raised to power a, h raised to power b, c raised to power c. You will solve the value of a, b, c. If you solve the value of ABC, then you will find the answer. So dimensional formula of time is m0l0t1. Only just time is given. Now gravitational constant. Sidely you will solve. F is equal to gm multiplied by m divided by r square. So g is equal to f into r square divided by m multiplied by m. So G is equal to, just our target is we will solve MLT. हमने MLT तक जाना है. So here radius mean length. So just we solve the F. Mean F is equal to M into A into L square. Radius mean length. M multiplied by M. M remain cancel out. Just solve the A. G is equal to L square divided by M multiplied by A is equal to B by T, and this B is equal to L square by M multiplied by T multiplied by L multiplied by T. It means M minus 1 L3 T raised to power minus 2. This is the formula of G. Now again Planck's constant. You write here, first of all you write the formula m minus 1 L3 T raised to power minus 2 raised to power a. Now you will solve the formula of H, Planck's constant. Mean energy upon frequency. You write energy upon frequency. Energy mean work mean force into displacement, and frequency is the रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ टाइम पीरियड. यहाँ पे 1 बाय टी आएगा तो टी ऊपर चला जाएगा बच्चे, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी. So this F M into A into L into T. Now solve A. M into B upon T multiplied by L multiplied by T. So T remain cancel out. Now just solve B. So M multiplied by L as it is, this velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So formula is M1 L2 T minus 1 raised to power B. Last, speed of light. Speed of light means M0 L1 T minus 1 raised to power C. Now compare the power. First of all, you compare M. Here minus A plus B, here 0 doesn't take, so that is equal to M0. This is your equation number first. Now second, 3A plus 2B plus C is equal to 0. Now third term, minus 2A minus B minus C is equal to 1. Now you compare second and third term. You will compare second and third term. If you compare the second and third term, so you will get minus 2A minus 2B minus 2C. Mean A is equal to, here you will compare it. So here you will get, here A, here only just B, C remain cancel out, that is equal to 1. It means your value of A is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. If you put the value of A is here, so think about it. Minus 1 by 2 plus B is equal to 0. B minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. B is equal to plus 1 by 2. A B हमारे पास आ गया. Now just last solve the value of C. Now you can put the value in this equation or in this equation. Any in these two equations you can put the value. Minus 2 A is 1 by 2 and minus B is also 1 by 2 minus C is equal to 1. So if you solve this equation, if you put the value in this equation, just simply solve the equation. If you solve this equation, you will get C is equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So ABC value हमारे पास आ गई है. So T is equal to K. Here G. A is 1 by 2 and B is also 1 by 2 and C is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. Listen carefully here. So formula is these two all the are in under root. Here is GH अंडर रूट में, C की वैल्यू माइनस में है बट माइनस 5 by 2 है, डिवाइड बाय C raised to power 5. So it means your option number C is the right answer. So from the beginner you will learn about the formula first of all. So just we solve one more question from any part. You read in grade 11 mechanical property of fluid, because this chapter is very easy. So in chapter unit 7 mechanical property of fluid, one question is arise from here. So my question is listen, question है बच्चे, listen ध्यान से सुनना है. You water has a pipe, a water, listen carefully, water has a pipe, uh, ये water simply आप बोल सकते हैं water flow in a large tank and float with flat bottom at the rate of 10 raised to power 4 meter cube per second. Water is also leaking out in a hole like a flux in a hole of area 1 centimeter square at its bottom. If the height of the water of the tank remains steady, then what is the height is? Option is given 5.1 centimeter, 1.74 and 2.9. Again listen, what is the question? क्वेश्चन ये है कि वाटर पानी जो है फ्लो कर रहा है इनटू ए लार्ज टैंक, एक बड़े टैंक में फ्लो कर रहा है, क्लियर, विद फ्लैट बॉटम, उसका बॉटम जो है बिल्कुल फ्लैट है, एट द रेट और फ्लो किस वेलोसिटी के साथ कर रहा है, 10 रेज टू पावर -4 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड, इतनी वेलोसिटी के साथ फ्लो कर रहा है, फ्लैट है, ठीक है। सो वाटर इज आल्सो लीकिंग आउट फ्रॉम द होल, एक उसमें होल है वहां से लीक कर रहा है। सो एरिया वहां का जहां से लीक कर रहा है वहां का एरिया है 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एट द बॉटम, बॉटम में होल है। सो इफ द हाइट ऑफ द वाटर इन द टैंक रिमेन स्टेडी, बोल रहे हैं कि हाइट जो है वाटर इन ए टैंक रिमेन स्टेडी, देन व्हाट इज द हाइट? तो आपने क्या करना है, उसकी हाइट निकालनी है कि भाई उसमें पानी के लेवल जो है उसका हाइट कितना है। सो यू विल फाइंड द हाइट। so there is option is given, uh, 5.1, 1.7 and 4 and 2.9. There are four option is given to you. So you will solve this question. How to solve this question is solved by, yes, how to solve? You can use, you remember the Poiseuille equation of continuity, and one more thing, Bernoulli's theorem, all these things you remember. If you remember all these things, then you can solve this question very easily. So this question is apply Poiseuille equation and the thermal equation. First of all, your question is clear. There is a tank, and in a tank is filled with a water, and it is a flat, and at flat you will solve the here is velocity is given. So velocity is given, then you will find the value. How to find the value? Listen carefully. क्वेश्चन आपको अंडरस्टैंड हो गया होगा, ठीक है। सो वेट 1 मिनट। मींस एक टैंक है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यूनिट नंबर 7, मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द फ्लूइड। सो very easy, very easy method, shortcut method we apply here. So listen here, Q is equal to, capital Q is equal to AB. Apply कर दिया formula like equation of continuity. Here 10 raised to power -4, and this is also given, area is also given, and velocity is also given, 10 raised to power -4 multiplied by under root 2gh. You know the formula. This formula is proved by a flux, and now you solve this equation. From this equation we will calculate this h height. So h is also equal to, this will cancel out, h is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 9.8 meter, meter में, but the option is in centimeter, option in centimeter. So here h is equal to 100 divided by 2 multiplied by 9.8, centimeter. That means 5.1 centimeter. This is a shortcut way. Equation of continuity is A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. So in my next video is for grade 12, any chapter. So you can ask the question anytime. Thank you.